From ancient traditions, a journey begins. Here, amidst nature's embrace, the story of silk unfolds.
The meticulous care of the mulberry leaves, the silkworm's sustenance, is paramount for the finest silk.
Each tiny silkworm, a marvel of nature, begins its transformation, weaving the threads of luxury.
The silkworms tirelessly spin their precious cocoons, a testament to nature's incredible artistry and patience.
The harvest begins, each perfect cocoon a fragile treasure, meticulously gathered by skilled hands.
These pristine cocoons, nature's intricate design, hold the promise of unparalleled softness and luxury. Safely stored, these precious cocoons await the next crucial stage, the delicate process of silk extraction.
Every cocoon undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds to become luxurious silk.
The cocoons embark on their next journey, entering the controlled environment of the factory, ready for transformation. Gently softened in warm water, the saracen, natural gum, loosens, preparing the silk for reeling. Skilled hands delicately brush each cocoon, searching for the elusive, continuous silk filament, the true beginning. The first delicate strand emerges, a testament to precision and patience, ready to be reeled into thread. Multiple threads, impossibly fine, are expertly combined, forming a single, continuous, strong silk filament.
The raw silk thread, imbued with natural luster, carefully winds onto spools, ready for its next transformation.
Every spool undergoes stringent quality checks, ensuring the raw silk meets the highest standards of excellence. The raw silk, now reeled, enters the drying chamber, where careful air circulation ensures perfect consistency. Perfectly dried, the raw silk possesses an inherent luster, poised for the intricate artistry of weaving. From drying, the silk spools move efficiently, destined for twisting and spinning, enhancing their strength. In this hall, raw silk transforms. Threads are twisted, spun, and strengthened, ready for weaving's demands.
Filaments intertwine, creating stronger, more resilient silk yarn, essential for durable, exquisite fabrics.
Unnecessarily. The audio is characterized by the subtle sounds of a laboratory.
Thousands of spools, perfectly prepared, await their transformation through color, ready for artistic expression.
The artistic vision takes shape as designers select vibrant hues, transforming plain silk into captivating color.
In massive vats, the silk yarn absorbs vibrant, custom-blended dyes, achieving unparalleled color depth.
From plain white to vibrant hues, the silk yarn emerges, perfectly saturated, ready for the next stage.
Excess moisture is meticulously removed in centrifuges, preserving color and preparing the yarn for drying. Suspended, the dyed silk yarn dries, its vibrant colors intensified, awaiting its next transformation into fabric.
Each vibrant spool, a testament to perfect dyeing, is now prepared for the intricate artistry of weaving.
A vibrant river of dyed yarn flows towards the weaving preparation, each color destined for intricate patterns.
Thousands of vibrant silk threads are meticulously warped and beamed, forming the foundation for luxurious fabric. Each thread, meticulously guided through the loom's heddles, sets the stage for the fabric's intricate pattern. High-tech looms weave with incredible speed, transforming individual threads into luxurious, intricate silk fabric.
The magic of weaving unfolds. Warp and weft threads interlace, creating the fabric's exquisite pattern and texture.
As the fabric emerges, vigilant inspections ensure every inch meets the exacting standards of luxury silk.
Rolls of exquisite silk fabric, a tapestry of colors and patterns, now await their final finishing touches.
The raw fabric enters degumming, a crucial step, removing saracen to unlock silk's legendary softness and luster. Emerging from degumming, the silk transforms, revealing its inherent softness and unparalleled luxurious drape. Through meticulous washing and rinsing, the the silk fabric achieves ultimate purity, ready for its final finish. In the drying chamber, the pure silk fabric gently dries, its exquisite drape and inherent luster now fully revealed.
The dried silk fabric, now incredibly soft, boasts a luxurious sheen, ready for the final stages.
The luxurious silk fabric journeys to the cutting and pattern design area, where precision meets artistry.
In the design studio, artistic visions unfold, transforming silk into wearable masterpieces of intricate patterns.
Each intricate pattern, born from an artist's vision, defines the scarf's unique character and elegance.
Advanced laser technology precisely cuts the silk fabric, ensuring every scarf piece is flawlessly shaped.
Each edge, perfectly cut, reflects meticulous precision, setting the stage for flawless scarf construction.
Precisely cut silk pieces, organized by design, are now ready for the meticulous artistry of hand-rolling edges.
Skilled artisans meticulously hand-roll each scarf edge, a timeless technique, ensuring unparalleled luxury and finish.
Tiny, perfect stitches, a testament to human skill, create the exquisite, durable, hand-rolled hem.
With edges perfectly hand-rolled, each scarf embodies refined elegance, a masterpiece of artisanal skill.
Every finished scarf endures a final, stringent quality check, ensuring absolute perfection for its discerning owner.
Even the tiniest imperfection is meticulously corrected, guaranteeing flawless perfection in every luxurious scarf. The discreet, elegant brand label is meticulously attached, a mark of authenticity and timeless luxury. Each scarf is meticulously folded, prepared for its exquisite packaging, ensuring a luxurious unboxing experience. Nestled within custom packaging, each scarf becomes a treasured gift, ready for its discerning recipient.
In the photography studio, each scarf's beauty is captured, showcasing its elegance for a global audience.
Every intricate detail, every lustrous fold is perfectly captured, reflecting the scarf's inherent luxury.
Digitally perfected, these stunning images convey the scarf's exquisite beauty and unparalleled luxury worldwide.
From the warehouse, these luxurious scarves embark on their global journey, reaching discerning clients worldwide.
Finally, the scarves grace luxury boutiques, exquisite works of art, captivating discerning eyes worldwide.
From silkworms to a $3,500 luxury scarf, a journey of craftsmanship, artistry, and unparalleled quality.
Fresh mulberry leaves, the silkworm's vital diet, are meticulously prepared for optimal nutrition.
Finely shredded, these leaves provide the perfect, nutrient-rich food source, essential for healthy silkworms.
With precise care, fresh leaves nourish the young silkworms, fueling their remarkable growth and silk production.
Precise environmental controls ensure optimal conditions, guaranteeing healthy silkworm growth and superior silk quality.
Through several molts, the silkworm grows, each stage a step closer to producing its precious, silken treasure.
Fully grown, the silkworms instinctively move towards their spinning frames, ready to create their precious cocoons. Carefully transferred, the silkworms begin their final, miraculous act, spinning the intricate, lustrous silk cocoon.
The silkworm tirelessly spins its magic, creating a single, continuous strand of silk, its protective home. Thousands of pristine cocoons, nature's perfect design, now await the careful extraction of their silken threads.
The meticulous harvest begins, each precious cocoon gently gathered, a testament to the silkworm's journey.
Pristine cocoons, collected with care, represent the raw essence of luxury, awaiting their transformation. In steaming vats, cocoons are gently softened, liberating the sericin, crucial for unraveling the silk filament. The delicate brushing reveals the single, continuous silk filament, the foundation of every luxurious thread.
Multiple filaments unite, forming a single, stronger, raw silk thread, ready for rigorous quality assessment. Every spool of raw silk undergoes intense scrutiny, guaranteeing only the highest quality proceeds to twisting.
Tensile strength tests confirm the silk's remarkable durability, ensuring a lasting, luxurious fabric. Raw silk threads are skillfully twisted, creating stronger, more resilient yarn, ready for the dyeing process.
The twisted silk yarn undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring uniform thickness and strength for perfect dyeing.
Under microscopic examination, the twisted yarn reveals its uniform strength, a testament to meticulous engineering.
Designers meticulously select from a vibrant spectrum of dyed silk yarn, bringing artistic visions to life.
Thousands of dyed silk yarns are meticulously warped, forming the precise foundation for intricate, luxurious weaving.
Each vibrant thread is meticulously guided through the loom's heddles, ensuring the fabric's perfect pattern.
Advanced Jacquard looms intricately weave vibrant silk, transforming threads into luxurious, complex patterns and designs.
The breathtaking, intricate patterns emerge, a testament to Jacquard weaving, transforming silk into wearable art.
Every inch of Jacquard silk undergoes vigilant inspection, ensuring absolute perfection in pattern and weave.
Rolls of exquisite Jacquard silk, a testament to intricate weaving, are prepared for their final finishing.
Jacquard silk enters degumming, releasing its natural stiffness, revealing its inherent, luxurious softness and drape. Emerging from degumming, Jacquard silk reveals its full potential. Incredible softness, enhanced luster, and vibrant patterns. Through meticulous washing and rinsing, the Jacquard silk achieves ultimate purity, its intricate beauty now fully revealed.
In the drying chamber, Jacquard silk gently dries, its intricate patterns and luxurious drape now fully revealed.
The exquisite Jacquard silk fabric journeys to cutting, where designs are meticulously transformed into scarf pieces.
In the design studio, intricate Jacquard patterns are meticulously crafted, transforming silk into works of art. Each complex Jacquard pattern, hand-drawn with precision, ensures the scarf's unique, luxurious character.
Advanced laser technology precisely cuts the Jacquard silk, ensuring every piece perfectly aligns with the intricate design.
Each perfectly cut edge, aligning with the intricate pattern, ensures the scarf's flawless construction.
Precisely cut Jacquard silk pieces, organized by design, are now ready for meticulous hand-rolling.
Skilled artisans meticulously hand-roll each Jacquard scarf edge, a timeless technique, ensuring unparalleled luxury.
Tiny, perfect stitches, seamlessly integrated into the Jacquard pattern, create an exquisite, durable hand-rolled hem.
With edges perfectly hand-rolled, each Jacquard scarf embodies refined elegance, a masterpiece of artisanal skill. Every finished Jacquard scarf endures a final, stringent quality check, ensuring absolute perfection.
Even the tiniest imperfection is meticulously corrected, guaranteeing flawless perfection in every luxurious Jacquard scarf. The discreet, elegant brand label is meticulously attached, a mark of authenticity and timeless luxury. Each Jacquard scarf is meticulously folded, prepared for its exquisite packaging, ensuring a luxurious unboxing experience. Nestled within custom packaging, each Jacquard scarf becomes a treasured gift, ready for its discerning recipient. In the photography studio, each Jacquard scarf's beauty is captured, showcasing its elegance for a global audience.
Every intricate detail, every lustrous fold is perfectly captured, reflecting the Jacquard scarf's inherent luxury.
Digitally perfected, these stunning images convey the Jacquard scarf's exquisite beauty and unparalleled luxury worldwide.